100-meter finals for the 2024 Paris Olympics was a close one, as it was decided by five-thousandths of a second. Greetings and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know who your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari over here. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. If you have not subscribed, ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button. Big up the Rastaman panel, as the 100-meter finals is now over. Noah Lyles has won the Paris Olympics 2024 gold in a stunning photo finish, ladies and gentlemen. Following his reaction, we look back at the film, and Noah Lyles has beat Kishane Thompson by five-thousandths of a second to win the Olympic gold in the men 100-meter finals. Jamaicans are dejected, just like Kishane, but we had to look back at the film. It took a while for us to really understand what's going on. Noah Lyles went through the first 80, say 90 meters behind Kishane, but one step was the difference between gold and silver, as Noah waited patiently to find out if he won. It appears that it's going to be even harder to get him from leaving the France grandstand. The 100-meter finals is now complete, as Noah Lyles is now the 2024 Olympic gold medal champion in the 100-meter finals, and he ran a 9.784. Jamaica's Kishane Thompson came in second with a 9.789, and Fred Curley, United States, with the silver at a 9.81. Akani Sabianini of South Africa, 9.82. Marcel Jacob, Italy, 9.85. Lesel Tibogo of Botswana, 9.86. Kenneth Bednark of United States, 9.88. And Oblique Saville of Jamaica came in 8th at 9.91. It was a historic Olympic final for the 100-meter, because not since 1980 have there been such of a close race. The race saw world record time for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th place finishers, as Noah Lyles ran faster than ever before to win. He ran a personal best. That was the first finish to the 1,000 since 80, when Britain Alan Wells squeaked past Silvio Leonardo of Cuba. Wells won at that time. His time was 10.25. Imagine, family. We are a little bit disappointed, but the scoreboard read Noah Lyles and Kishane Thompson both ran 9.78, but Lyles had one more stride and a lean for history book, and took the field in a minute to know who won. Everyone was wondering if it was Lyles or if it was Kishane, but at the end, Lyles survived and will savor this moment for a long time. Noah Lyles won it by just five-thousandths of a second. Kishane Thompson was leading for about 98 meters of that race, but he tightened up while Lyles remained loose and took on a dip. He took a dip. That's how he won the race. It's a beautiful, beautiful moment to crown Noah Lyles the 2024 Olympic gold medalist. While you know Usain Bolt is still the fastest man in the world. Lyles won, and this team is a team that the Team USA have not won the 100-meter championship for 20 years. But Lyles won by eking out a win by dipping by 5,000ths of a second and won his gold medal. Kishane Thompson saw his gold medal whisk by, and he will be more than happy to let you know about it. Jamaica Kishane Thompson in seconds with an identical time on the clock, but he was first to point out that the 5,000ths of a second hurt. Jaja, what a sensational result though for Noah Lyles and the United States, because he showed that he's a real Olympic champion, a true champion. I know there's a lot of pressure that was on him, but right now, this looks so close that it took so couple of minutes to know if it was Kishane Thompson or Noah Lyles that won. I love the competition that was provided here by Lyles, and I hope to see him again on the world stage. Jamaicans are very disappointed, although we should be happy just like, Kishane Thompson, because we don't show up to a race for nothing but winning. We have a saying that second just means that you're the first to lose. But I want to congratulate everyone that were in this race. Yoagante, Noah Lyles, congratulations on your gold medal. We are very competitive. I say you have one our woman, Yoagante, but we are going to save that for later. But I'm reporting here, Rastafari Soldier, a disappointed Jamaican team. Kishane Thompson have no reason to hold his head down. He's a young youth, his first Olympic, and as you see, our future looks bright. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to the US and their track and field team. Big up Noah Lyles. Although we go hard at you on the social media, we love the competition, and we'll see you in the future. Big up yourself, Kishane. Big up yourself, Mr. Seville Oblique. No problem, don't worry about it. You're not going to win every race, but go back into the gym or onto track and, work hard at it again. And just like how Noah has been working hard in the gym, on the track, you are going to make sure that he come up on top. We are asking yourself to put in the same work. More life, more joy. I know it hurt Jamaica, but you can't win them all. You are going to Noah Lyles, congratulations. 2024 100-meter track and field gold medalist, Paris Olympics. I'm Rastafari Soldier. More life and more joy. More happiness.
This is Wayne One, so I represent for Deep Roots TV. This one is a bombshell. Check it out. Fire,